Hi, this is a Christmas special episode. Enjoy!
Ho, ho, ho. Are there any good songs in here?
Yeah, I guess.
You know what? Yes.
Oh yeah! The most crazy Santa of this year. Michaela!
Do you want a present?
Yeah, thank you so much.
Here, your present.
Thank you. I almost want
What
a beer.
name is your?
Maria.
I mean, what's your name?
Maria.
So it is, but you're on the bad list. Now someone on the good list don't get a present this year. Because of you, you idiot.
I'm sorry.
What the hell? Take a beer.
Sorry, I'm not old enough. I'm too young.
No, you're not too young. You can drink all the beer in the beer world. And that's a lot of beer.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Okay. I'll try some.
Oh,